the Trangia stove with the gas connector. Firstly, we need to take the unit apart. Take all the individual pieces from the inside, remove them, and take the stove apart. This is part of the main unit here. 3 little legs, and on the other side with 3 little gaps. The bottom part of the unit, we'll take the strap off and we'll put the strap away so that we know where it is. At the bottom it has 3 little dimples, and when we put the stove together, the gaps go over the dimples and we twist it together. We'll go back to that in a minute. But first of all, this is the gas unit. It has a main unit, it has the pipe, and it has the controller. We'll feed the controller through the main hole in the middle of the Trangia, and we'll pull it out of the side of the Trangia. This allows us to house the main body in the centre of the Trangia. It's a little bit fiddly, but we do need to force it into place, so we need to put a little bit of pressure and push it down, making sure that it sits securely. The wire should be as straight as possible, or the pipe rather. We can then attach the main body, put it on, twist it, and check that it's in correctly. The gas pipe needs to be as far away from the main unit as possible, and we can now attach the gas by twisting the bottle onto the controller, like so. Again, there needs to be a gap to make sure that the gas is safely away from the stove at all times. Now we can use a lighter, or we can use matches. Matches are an easier way of lighting because it means we can extend the flame away from our hand. We'll turn the gas on, light our match, and it lights quite quickly. We'll let our match go cold. The little black knob here allows us to adjust the heat and the height of the flame. So we just want a low flame. As you can see, the heat is fell all the way up here. The next thing we do is we fill our pot with water or food, and we're ready to cook. Now to take the stove apart, we turn the knob, the little black knob, and we turn the gas off. We listen to make sure it's off. We can unscrew the bottle, like so, and put the bottle safely out of the way. We want to replace the cap on the bottle as well. We now need to wait until the stove cools before we can put it away.